power. Doing 1 cent denomination, 150 bet. Come on, baby. Just be the one. This game is one of the hardest Buffalo games I have ever seen. Let's see if something good can come out. Ooh, good start, good start. Come on, baby. No heads. All right, that's a good start. Ooh. Help it along. Times 2. All right. Another head. 2 heads. Nice. We're up to 4. All right. Ooh, okay. 5. Master stroke. All right, let's keep going. Let's get some more re-triggers. Let's do it. Needed a 10 right there. Shit. Okay, not bad. Let's get a re-trigger though. Yeah, we need some re-triggers. Yep. Alright, 61. It's a good bonus no matter what, so. Oh, it went quiet. Yeah, we need a 1 here. Alright, 65 bucks. 2 more spins, come on, re-trigger. Fuck. Come on. Oh, that's it. Not bad. 65.88. This Buffalo Link, and we're doing 1 cent denomination, $1 bet, and holy shit, look at those right there. Let's hope big numbers attract big numbers. Come on, baby. Come on, let's take another 50. Do it. Come on. Let's get that grand up there. 15. Or that major would be cool. Let's fucking do it. Come on, don't stop. That's it. That's enough. That's beautiful. Awesome. Lightning Lane playing Dragon's Riches. Rarely played this game. We need the dragons. Come on, dragons. Ah. 2 cent denomination. Oh. Damn. Whack. That was horrible. This is Lightning Link. Dragon's Riches, sorry. I'm not paying attention. 5 cent denomination and we got a mini for 50 bucks. Nice. Come on, baby. Let's get a minor. Ooh, I saw that major go by. Come on, don't stop. Ah, come on. Still good. $63.75. Not bad. Lightning lane for doing Dragon's Riches. 2-cent denomination, $1 bet. Come on, come on, dragons. Oh no! One time. Keep getting cock blocked by the bonus symbol on the first one. That was, oh man, that was horrible. Got a miner for $100 in there. Awesome. 2-cent denomination, $1 bet. And I love this bet. Oh, he's still good on it. Alright, baby. Miner, $100. Come on, let's do better than that. Come on, don't stop. Alright. I thought I was still on 5 cents. I'm like, 250? No, it's $100, but it's still cool. Very quiet in here. Come on, baby. Let's fill her up. Come on. Yes. Yes, come on, let's get that grand. 16,000. Let's get it. Come on, 16,000. 16,000. Come on, baby. It's a nice hefty grand. Do it. You want to be slot channel speed. Not today. Very nice. 121. $1 bet. That's where it's at. A few spins later. This game is on fire. Oh. Come on. Stop those baby ones. Give me a big one. Come on, let's get that grand. Let's get that grand. Come on, baby. Ooh. That's it. $20, okay, whatever. Back to back. Oh my god, why don't I do live play? I mean, they're small bonuses, but these are coming out. See, there's small bonuses though. $30. Alright. It's not recording, but yeah, start recording now. Great. Lightning dollar link. What's that? Free play? I don't have free. Oh yeah, I still have games. Oh yeah, sure. I wasn't recording because I wasn't doing good, but it's a very good bonus. $1 bet. Come on, let's do it again. See? Again. Wow. This is the version that I do the worst on. My neighbor got a jackpot. Congratulations to her. Come on. I sat down because I want that triple major up there. Yeah, I wasn't recording, but I got a 5-symbol trigger. Paid me $50. Oh, let's do it. Rush it. Alright, we're still in it. 143 so far. Come on, baby. Kung Fu Master felt like pain today. Yeah, okay. Another one. Ooh. Okay, I'm still in it. $167.50 so far. 3 more games. Ooh, come on, do it again. Oh, wanted that. Damn. Retrigger. Ooh. I've never seen this game retrigger so many times. A lot of games. It's going crazy. Ah, I fell asleep. One more time. Some kings. 10.95. Alright. Got some incense. Oh, come on, one more. Oh. 186.55. Lightning Dollaring Kung Fu Master, brought to you by Wannabe Slot Channel Steve.